Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to build an end-to-end ETL pipeline using AWS. So in the first step we will create a S3 bucket, a storage service by Amazon. We will create a S3 bucket with the name my ETL pipeline bucket. Inside that we will be having two subfolders, raw data and process data. So whenever we upload a CSV file to a raw data folder and run the glue job, which is basically a ETL script. So the glue job will extract CSV file from raw data folder, apply some transformations, and then load back the clean CSV file to the process data folder. This is our raw CSV file having some of the column names as capital. And after applying the transformations, the process file will be having all the column names as in lowercase. This is our AWS console. Let's start by creating S3 storage. So click on this. Now click on create bucket. Now here we will have to create a name for a bucket and make sure this name should be globally unique. So I will name it as ETL pipeline bucket 07. Then leaving all the configuration as default. Let's click on create bucket. This is how a new bucket looks like. Now let's open this bucket. I have to create a folder. I have to create two separate folders there, right? First one is raw data, create folder. Then create another folder as process data. Click on create folder. Now we have to create a ETL job using AWS Glue. Click on AWS Glue. Here you can find go to ETL jobs. Click on this. Now just click on this script editor. Select Python cell. Click on create script. This is the script that we will be using. I will provide this script in the description. So these are some of the libraries that we will be using here. Boto 3. Boto 3 is used to interact with AWS services like S3. So we are creating an instance of this Boto 3. Replace this with the name of our bucket. Now this response variable will contain the file, the CSV file that we uploaded in the raw data folder. Now this is a simple check if there is a file in that response variable or not, and if the format of that file is CSV or not. Here we are reading the CSV file, creating a data frame using pandas. This is the main transformation logic. Here we are converting the name of columns to lowercase. We are converting that pandas data frame back to CSV format. After transformation is applied, this code will upload the clean CSV file back to the process data folder. Now we have to create IAM roles in order to run these jobs. So let's click on this IAM role, select roles from the left side, create role, search glue here, select glue, click on next. Here we want two roles, S3, Amazon S3 full access role, uh, and also other role which is glue service role. Click on this AWS glue service role. Now click on next. Give this role a name, ETL job role. Now click on create role. Now the ETL job role is created. Click on this ETL job role. Now click on this job details. We have to give this a name. ETL job. Now we have to select IAM role, refresh this, and select ETL job role that we have created just now. Now just save this. Now everything is done. We just have to upload the CSV file to a raw data. Let's click on upload, click on add files, select the CSV file. This is the test data. Click on upload. This file is uploaded. Let me show you how this file looks like. See, there are some of the column names. Their first letter is capital, but we have to convert this into lowercase names, right? Now we will click on run button and the job will start running. We can check the details of the see this the status is running. We can also check output logs. Click on this. Now the job has been successfully run. We can check the process folder here. Let's refresh it and see the test data file is there in the process folder. Now click on download. This is our file. The column names are in lowercase.